Supplements, yo. Gotta be healthy. Supplements.
Damn, how'd you eat so much?
Do resistance with your knees down here, and then up.
Sniper 2000.
We are heading to Moab. Road tripping. Been on the road for 2.5 hours now. Ringo and I are looking forward to another 2 hours. We got our mountain bikes, hiking shoes, of course some good food to cook up. If you've never been to Moab in Utah, you're about to be because you're watching my video. I'm gonna set the camera down. It's getting dark. We had a late start to the day. It's already 7:30. I'm not supposed to be at the campsite until 10. And I am in a dark, windy canyon. Ton of elk and deer everywhere. I would rather this video come out instead of you guys seeing me on the news because I died or I killed somebody. We will see you here in 2.5 hours. Four and a half hours of driving later, we are here in beautiful Moab. Look at that. It is absolutely gorgeous out there. Take a look for yourselves. Isn't that just beautiful? My aunt and uncle are camping somewhere back there in their fancy van. They probably went to bed at 4. Would not be surprised. So no saying hello to them. Looks like they're sleeping. My mother and brother are about 30 minutes away, so they should be pulling up anytime soon. That's if they can make it to camp, because there's some crazy people in the family that like to live life on the edge. There's legit rock crawling features that everybody had to drive through towards the end of this dirt road. I'm sure lifted Jeeps and, crawler vehicles. You need those to go over that. But somehow the van and the Tacoma made it, so we'll see if their car can do it too. If they don't, and we need to do a recovery, we'll film that.
So I thought they're not very recording. Get away. I had a hard day. Don't judge me right now.
That's your fork. Where's the rest of it at? Show us how you're doing this. Damn, how'd you eat so much?
See this abuse I get?
Let me know in the comments below if you talk to your mom that way.
This is not going on YouTube.
It is. Good morning. Tossed and turned all night long. I do not want to sleep in cab again. It was not good. Who was not good? Who was not good? It was not good. My good camera has been packed away in the truck, so I've been filming on my phone. We're gonna switch over to that. Let's switch over to this right now.
Okay, I'm going for long range sniper. Sniper 2000. Alright. Ooh! Right in the guts, man. Gut shot.
Something wrong?
What's going on?
Does that sound normal?
Alright, so Caleb and Shelton over there, they are...
No, not that one.
Not that one?
No.
Good.
What's up, guys? It's Caleb, here with Skylar, the famous brother of Caleb. There is Mom, the one who gave birth to me. Not him. He's adopted.
I don't know what kind of YouTuber people want to see. Like, do they want someone that's like, okay guys, Mama Shelton and Caleb are going downtown. They're gonna do some walking around and some shopping. Or we could just be like, so, me, Uncle, and Aunt Moby are gonna hit a little mountain bike trail. Caleb and Mama Shelton are feeling a little lethargic. They're gonna hold off on biking and hiking until tomorrow. So they're gonna go downtown and I think do some like food shopping and walking around. I don't know. What are you guys doing? See, was that better than the first time? First one?
Oh shit.
How is it?
It's scary.
That's how you speak sign language.
I'm trying. Hey, what's this?
Not
home.
home. Not home.
If I can figure out how to blur that out, I will. We wrapped up a 12-mile bike ride today here in beautiful Moab, here in beautiful Utah. It was a good ride. Brother and mother chumped out on that one.
Jump.
We have at least another 2 days of camping out, hiking, and biking. So we'll give them another opportunity. I don't think we're gonna let them flake out on us on these next ones. Tomorrow we'll strap the GoPro on. Everybody will be ready to shred and do some nar. Definitely taking you guys with on our next bike ride, which will be like tomorrow. So yeah, I'll catch you when we cook dinner tonight. That is when you will see me.
That was sick, actually.
Okay, let's do it. We're back.
I did it again. 3, 2, 1.
We're back and we're...
No, you have to be ready.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
We're back. We're live. We did some mountain biking. As you saw earlier, we were tired. I was very tired. We have some hungry mouths to feed. Okay. We're gonna cook chicken tacos with jalapenos and tomato, some guacamole. Whoa! If you're like us, who really likes to eat cold camp cooking? That's not what we do here. Yeah, we don't do that. We don't like eating cold food. So we're just gonna get some tacos cooked up quick, throw on a plate, let them eat them. Cook more tacos, throw them on a plate, let them eat it.
It says spicy jalapeno, but if you read the ingredients, it's actually green hatch chili. Those chumps. Here's some. Here's some.
Ooh, those are fancy right there. We have a bunch of fancy tortillas and some avocados. Let's go make some guac and
Mole?
do some talking while making tacos. Cilantro lime chicken. Got the chickens. What's up, baby?
Not much. How you doing? My name's Maltby, and AKA Malt Liquor.
You look good, bro. You're styling. Is that how close you've been to me this whole time?
Rap. I got money.
You got a knife. Don't walk backwards.
Okay. Butthole burning right there.
You gotta hold it. Hold it frozen. Okay, one more.
Where'd it go? It's not always about presentation.
Boom. Boom, boom.
Aim.
Boom. Finished product.
Jen, you ready?
Oh.
This is amazing.
Go and bite, love.
Frank, go lay down.
What's gonna happen, folks? Is what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here on this beautiful taco,
Sit.
and then you're gonna open your mouth really big, and you go like this. Mmm.
Oh yeah, the one, huh?
She knows that.
Thank you.
Get that food
I'm
review.
so excited.
just like that, we've got 3 of them kiddos fed. We will probably catch you
On the flip side.
on the flip side, and I think I will be in bed. Camping, sleeping, going to bed. Yep, there you go. Dinner's done. Boom. Is that Jen impression?
What?
All these years we've been doing ours.
Oh, geez.
That Sam was in Vegas. Chris did the driveway when he got home. Hey!
Now we're going to be
Inappropriate!
Do it?
inappropriate. Do it in the sky.
That feels good.
That's how we do it in the trailer. And
So
Back
like,
straight.
do resistance with your knees down here, and then up. Christopher.
Excuse me.
This is awesome. All right, well, everybody's alive and well, as you can see. Staying healthy, stretching out, because today is a big day. The entire family is going to ride on the mountain bikes. We've got a cool trail planned out for shredding. I think it's Klondike Bar. Is that right? Klondike? We're riding Klondike.
Then it's all the circusy names like Top Spin and Roller Coaster, stuff like that.
Gravitation.
So we're not there now,
Want to
but
explain that one more time?
not on camera. You have to scream it.
So I'd imagine there's going to be a few cool drops that we'll be hitting and some steep walls that we'll be climbing. Moab is one heck of a place to go mountain biking and hiking. We finished up about 15-16 miles of riding, and Moby made us some sandwiches, and that's what we're gonna chow down right now. But that's the only update I've got for you guys. I'm really tired and I really don't feel like talking, so we'll cut to when we get on the road to head home. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. Got home a little late last night, 9 o'clock. Drive was not bad, and there was no snow here at home until last night. Started snowing pretty good. I think we got maybe 6 inches of snow or more. Definitely colder than it was down there in Moab. We were sitting in 60-degree weather, and now it is Antarctica. But it was a super fun trip, and if you made it this far, thanks for checking the video out. It was a fun one to make. Have some good family. Mountain biking down south is always fun, especially with a good set of people. Yep, thanks for joining along. We'll see you in the next one. You have yourself a good day. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.